Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today to show you guys how to make a double welt pocket. So let's get into it. I'm drawing a 12 cm by 2 cm box on the base fabric. Divide the box in half and draw a line horizontally. On this line, mark at 1 cm from the left side and 1 cm from the right side. After that, draw a triangle on each side. This is the most important part, so don't forget to draw the triangles. Now we will prepare the welt pieces. Each of the welt piece is 14 cm by 4 cm, including the seam allowance. We will also need 2 pieces of fusible interfacing of the same size. On the wrong side of the welt piece, apply the interfacing with the help of an iron. Then fold it in half and press it nicely. Prepare the other welt piece in the same way. I already marked 1 cm seam allowance on 2 sides and on the raw edge side on both the welt pieces. Now we need to place the welt pieces on the base fabric. Make sure the seam allowance lines are nicely placed on the box we drew before and secure with some pins. There will not be any gap between the 2 welt pieces, but make sure you don't overlap the pieces as well. When you will start sewing, leave the seam allowance and start to sew from here. As you can see, I stopped just before the seam allowance line. Now, we need to cut through the middle line and the triangles. I already pressed everything nicely. Now flip it and stitch the triangles and the welt pieces together to hold everything in place. While sewing, make sure there is no gap between the welt pieces. Do the same on the other side. After you are done with sewing, press both sides nicely. After that, place the bigger pocket bag piece on the top welt and we will sew on the previous seam line. Do not go beyond this line. After attaching the bigger pocket bag piece, we will attach the small one. Position it like this, flip it over, and we will stitch on top of the previous seam line. I already stitched it. Now press it nicely on top of this line to make it flat. Now we need to edge stitch on the 2 corners and on the top edge. By mistake, I stitched on the bottom edge as well, but do not stitch on the bottom edge. If you will do, then you won't be able to open the pocket. After we are done with edge stitching, we need to stitch the pocket bag pieces together. We will start to stitch from this side and we will end here. So here's our double welt pocket. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed, please like this video, leave your valuable feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.